This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is running the latest iOS because software controls charging behavior and efficiency. Once updated, go to Settings, Battery Health to read maximum capacity and whether peak performance is applied. Enable optimized battery charging so the iPhone learns your schedule and slows aging. Also review your charging routine now. If you regularly leave it at 100% overnight, make a plan to use partial charges instead to reduce stress on the battery. Now you focus on settings that limit power draw and heat because less energy used equals less cycle stress. Lower the brightness, enable auto brightness, and keep true tone if it helps readability. Next, disable background app refresh and restrict location for apps that don't need it. This prevents hidden wake-ups. Activate low power mode during extended use or when battery is low to cut background activity. Make sure to close heavy apps occasionally and avoid charging while playing intensive games, which heats the battery. Finish by adopting charging habits that slow chemical aging. Use Apple-certified cables and adapters because approved chargers control voltage and temperature. Charge regularly between about 20% and 80% for normal days. Reserve full 0-100 cycles for occasional calibration. Make sure you remove bulky cases if the phone gets hot while charging, since heat accelerates wear. If you notice rapid capacity loss or unexpected shutdowns, run diagnostics in Settings or contact Apple support to check for battery replacement options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.